Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed restoring division algorithm. Here what we are doing, simply we are subtracting the divisor from the some portion of the dividend. If the remainder is negative, simply we are restoring the value of a to its original value. Now in this session, we are moving to non-restoring division algorithm. In this algorithm, even though we are getting a negative remainder, immediately we are not restoring. The negative remainder is handled in the next iteration. But remember, at last step, based on the sign of the A value, we may perform restore operation or without restore operation. Now we will discuss this non-restoring algorithm with one example. So algorithm is almost similar to restoring algorithm. Here my dividend is placed in register Q, divisor is N. Now a value 0 and N is the number of bits of the dividend. Suppose Q is equal to 5 bits, N value is equal to 5 bits. So in the restoring also, what is the first step? You need to do shift left operation on the AQ. After shift left operation, check the MSB bit sign. So check the sign of the MSB bit in the AQ. In the MSB bit sign is equal to 1. In the restore division operation, we are directly do the subtraction. But here we have two operations, addition and subtraction. That is the difference. Suppose if the sign of the MSB is equal to 1, we are adding the divisor to A. Suppose if the sign of MSB is 0, we are subtracting the divisor. After doing either addition or subtraction, you need to fix the value of Q. Remember, in the restoring, this condition is not there. Directly we are doing the subtraction and then checking the sign of the MSB. If the sign of the MSB is 1, that is a negative remainder. So Q of 0 value is equal to 0. If the sign of MSB is equal to 0 means a positive remainder. So Q of 0 is equal to 1 and decrement the number of bits, that is the number of iterations by 1. If it is not equal to 0, the same process is repeated. This is happened in restoring division. Understand the difference. There we have only subtraction. This condition is not there. But here we have two conditions, either addition or subtraction. And after, whether n value is equal to 0 means that is the last step. In the last step, you need to check the sign of MSB. If the sign of MSB is equal to 0, restore is not at all required. Directly the quotient is in Q, the remainder is in A. Suppose sign of A is equal to 1, then in this step we are doing the restore operation. Clear? We are doing the restore operation. And after restore operation, this is the last step. Anyway, after doing the restore operation, we are getting the result. Now we will consider one example. Assume that example leads to restoring at the last step. Now Q, dividend is equal to 14. This is the example that we consider for restoring division. Later we will take one more example. For that example, again we will discuss restoring division and non-restoring division. So Q is equal to 14. This is the binary representation of dividend Q. Now M is equal to divisor. Assume my M value is equal to 3 and assume I am using 5 bits. This is M value and M bar plus 1. Why? In this case we are doing subtraction. Instead of doing subtraction, I am adding the 2's complement. So the 2's complement of M is equal to 11101. Now what is N value? Number of bits of the dividend. So N is equal to 4. This is the first, my initialization is completed. Now represent here A, Q and then N. Initial values are, so 5 zeros. Initially A is equal to 0. N is equal to the number of bits 4. What is my Q value? 11110. Okay. What is the first step? The first step is shift left AQ. We know the shift operation. Simply the bits move to the left side and 0 is ignored. And observe the concept here. What is the concept? We discussed in the restoring division. This is my original dividend. Each and every iteration, one bit of dividend is moved to A. Here we are performing my operation with A. each iteration one bit of dividend is moved to A and that is compared with the divisor, and the last bit is filled with the answer. That is, we have 4 bits. In 4 iteration, all the 4 bits are moved to A and all the 4 bits are filled with the quotient. We will check one by one. Shift left operation 0 0 0, and this is also shift 1 1 1 0. You got it? That is, the first bit of the dividend is moved to A for doing the comparison. Okay, here what is the value? Based on these conditions, we need to check the value. After doing shift operation, check the sign of the MSB. If the sign of MSB is equal to 0, then we are doing subtraction operation. So subtraction operation means simply add 111 01. What is the answer? 1011110. So my subtraction is completed, either subtraction or addition. In this scenario, subtraction is completed. Again, check the sign of the MSB like restoring division. Here the only thing is, if you want to do subtraction or addition, that is an additional add-on in non-restoring. So here if it is 1, simply 0. What is the meaning? This is a negative remainder. It is not possible to get the remainder. So take the borrow. That is the reason place 0 and the value n is equal to 3. So n not equal to 0. Repeat the process one more time. Now what is again? Shift left AQ. Simply do the shift left operation 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. Now what is MSB bit? Here the MSB bit is equal to 1. Then what you need to do? Simply here I subtract. Simply I am doing addition operation with M. So 000 0 1 1. Do the addition 10 10 10 10 10. If you have any carry, discard the carry. So after addition, what is the sign? 0. If the sign is 0, place a 1. If the sign is 0, in the sense we are getting the positive remainder. That is, the divisor divides the dividend. If the divisor divides the dividend, we are getting a binary value 1. If the divisor unable to divide the dividend, we are getting a value 0. Now the count value is decremented. The count is equal to 2. In the next iteration, again shift left of AQ. Ignore the carry. So 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 empty. Now what is the MSB bit? 0. If the MSB is equal to 0, then do subtraction operation. Subtraction operation in the sense add 111 01. 10 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Here what is MSB? MSB is equal to 1. That is a negative remainder. So division is not at all possible. Simply place a 0 and the sequence counter, that is the number of iterations, is reduced to 1. Number of iterations reduced to 1. Again next iteration, shift left AQ. By doing shift left operation 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 empty. And here the MSB bit is equal to 1. Then we are doing addition operation. So add M. So add 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. Here 1. If it is a 1, if the sign of MSB is 1, the answer is 0 and the n value is 0. My iterations are completed. N is equal to 0. Now the last step, you need to check the sign of MSB. If the sign of MSB is equal to 0, means this is my remainder. Suppose if the sign of MSB is equal to 1, then what you need to do? Perform restore operation. That is, A is equal to A plus M. This is my A value. For this A value, I am adding M. Now see, after adding M, 10 11 10 10 discard the carry and completed. Here no need to do any modification. Clear the point? Anyway, if the last step, if the sign is 1, means that is a negative remainder. In that case only we are doing the remainder. Suppose If you take an example, in the last step here it is 0. Directly, this is the remainder, this is quotient, stop the process. Now here, what is A value? 2. What is Q value? 4. Anyway, divide the number 14 with 3. 3 4s are 12. The remainder is 2. The remainder is present in A. The quotient is present in Q. You are getting the correct answer. Right? This is non-restoring. Generally, the difference is in the restoring, whenever the negative remainder is there, immediately we are doing restore operation. But in case of non-restoring, the negative reminders are added in the subsequent iterations. Clear? This is the example of non-restoring division. In the later sessions, we will discuss one more example. Thank you.